क्या है, हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते, मतलब जो बन गया है बन गया है। अब आप लोग देखेंगे और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम से हम वेट कर रहे हैं। लास्ट शूट किया था हमने एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप लोग देखें एंड लेट अस नो व्हाट यू थिंक।
How was the experience while shooting this the film?
शूटिंग वाज इट वाज अ टफ शूट बट इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑल्सो। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये कैरेक्टर करने में। इट्स अ वेरी लवली कैरेक्टर, सो मज़ा भी बहुत आया था। एंड द कास्ट एंड द क्रू ऑल्सो गॉट अलॉन्ग सो वेल कि साथ में मतलब जब सच में लग रहा था कि वी आर इट्स लाइक वी आर ऑल बॉन्डिंग टुगेदर सो मच। शूटिंग के बाद वी यूज्ड टू गो आउट एंड हैव अ ड्रिंक टुगेदर, तो मतलब 12-12 घंटे काम करने के बाद वी यूज्ड टू हैंग आउट इन द इवनिंग ऑल्सो, सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एक्चुअली विद एवरीवन।
प्रेशर फील करते हैं कि बॉस है तो डेफिनेटली
ये वाला बॉस ना प्रेशर नहीं फील करता है, ये वाला बॉस सबको खुश रखता है।
मतलब कैसे खुश रखता है?
हाँ जी,
खुश कैसे रखा? सैलरी
जोक्स क्रैक करके यार, ये बहुत फनी बॉस है। ऐसा इतने सारे जोक्स क्रैक करता है, इतना अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है इस बॉस का, इतना अच्छा एंटरटेनर है, तो सब खुश रहते हैं ऑफिस में।
सैलरी बढ़ा देगी नहीं?
अरे सैलरी के लिए काम कौन करता है यार, हाँ? सैलरी के लिए काम कौन करता है? मेरे जैसे बॉस के अंडर काम करना इतना इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी है, गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है, तो मतलब कौन करेगा ऐसे?
एंड इसके अलावा आपकी अपकमिंग फिल्म की आने वाली तो अगर
हाँ, एक फिल्म तो बता सकता हूँ जिसकी शूटिंग हो गई है, फेरी फोक नाम है उसका, टेंटेटिवली टाइटल्ड, तो आएगी शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर। वो करण गौर की फिल्म है। इट्स अबाउट अ कपल इन बॉम्बे एंड थोड़े बिजार चीज़ें हो जाती हैं और उसकी वजह से हाउ दैट अफेक्ट्स देयर रिलेशनशिप एंड देयर लाइफ्स, इंडिविजुअल लाइफ्स। तो इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस था, सो दैट्स कमिंग नेक्स्ट, यस प्लीज़ वॉच आउट फॉर इट।
So you are the first research analyst in the banking, and now you come to as an actor.
जी,
How was the experience like a big working in a banking job, 10 to 5 job?
10 to 5 नहीं था सर, आजकल कोई 10 to 5 जॉब रहता नहीं है। तभी तो एक्टिंग करनी है तो यू हैव टू क्विट दैट जॉब एंड देन डू इट। पहले 10 to 5 होता था, 10 to 5 फिर 6 से 8 लोग थिएटर करते थे। अभी वो 10 to 5 जॉब चले गए हैं, इट्स 10 to 10 नाउ। So that was long ago also, but yeah, that was a totally different life. I was doing that. I obviously enjoyed it for a while, then I didn't enjoy it, and I decided to leave. और मैं US में था, मैं इंडिया वापस आ गया। वो 15 साल पहले की बात है, और अब मैं एक्टर हूँ।
जो आपकी वाइफ रही है रसिका, वो अभी स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए नहीं आ रही है, स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए नहीं आ रही है, सब इतना मिस कर रहे हैं।
मैं बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ उनको। मैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली काम करना पड़ता है सबको, तो वो शूटिंग कर रही है आज, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी कांट बी हियर, शी इज़ ऑल्सो फीलिंग वेरी बैड, शी कांट बी हियर, बट अभी क्या है, काम करना है सबको।
बॉन्डिंग की बात करें तो किस तरह की बॉन्डिंग रही है आपके बीच में और रसिका?
मतलब सॉरी समझा नहीं मैं।
Bonding, chemistry.
हमारी केमिस्ट्री, मतलब ये तो थोड़ा सा फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आ जाएगा कि आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ रिलेशनशिप क्या है, मतलब ये सब मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ इसमें।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच, प्लीज़ वॉच द शो, वी वुड लव टू हियर व्हाट यू थिंक। थैंक यू।
स्ट्रीमिंग होने में तो ऑफिस जाने का कुछ प्रेशर है आप लोग को उधर ही लेके?
अब तो नहीं है, अब तो कर दिया हमने जो करना था। अब तो बस दर्शकों के ऊपर है कि उनको कैसा लगता है।
हाँ, अब तो देखना पड़ेगा और वी विल ऑल्सो नो कि क्या होता है।
या
एंड ओवरऑल कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? पूरी बहुत ही बड़ी स्टार कास्ट है आपके इस वेब सीरीज में, कैसा रहा?
आई थिंक हमारे स्टार कास्ट के साथ ही सबसे ज़्यादा फन एक्सपीरियंस था, क्योंकि द ensemble was amazing together. We had so much fun, and we become like family. We're still very very close.
Correct.
So yeah, we were even coordinating कि कौन कब पहुंच रहा है. So we are that close.
हमारे लिए हम दोनों के लिए आई थिंक हमारे करियर का सबसे बड़ा ब्रेक है, तो काफ़ी साइड है हम। एंड आई होप कि दर्शकों को ये शो पसंद आए, जितने प्यार से हमने बनाया है उतना प्यार हमें मिल पाए। तो बस इससे ज़्यादा कोई ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है। या दैट्स इट,
That's it.
वी आर कूल।
फैंस को क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक है, चाहने वाले को कुछ मैसेज देंगे?
वॉच द शो, गिव इट अ शॉट। हमें पता है कि हम एक बहुत बड़े फ्रेंचाइज़ का इंडियन रीमेक बना रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि शायद हम उसको उस अच्छी तरीके से ना बना पाए, या शायद हम उसके साथ कुछ अच्छा ना करें, जो कि उस फ्रेंचाइज इज सो बिग। बट आई थिंक द राइटर्स हैव डन अ फिनोमिनल जॉब, एंड गिव इट अ शॉट, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट यू विल एंजॉय इट। या
Yeah, I also feel like let it be a fresh sort of viewing for you, and you'll see many different things come out of it. And yeah, if you try to not compare it so much, then
अमित और पम्मी के लिए देखिए. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच,
thank you.
थैंक यू ब्रदर. Thank you everyone, thank you.
कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रह गए स्ट्रीमिंग होने में, तो ऑफिस आप बताइए कि ऑफिस जाने का कितना प्रेशर है बाहर के?
ऑफिस जाने का बिल्कुल प्रेशर नहीं है क्योंकि दिस इज आफ्टर ऑफिस आवर्स. इस वक्त द ऑफिस इज ओनली अबाउट द शो ऑन हॉटस्टार ऑफ BBC एंड अपलॉज सोशल. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट द शो क्योंकि काफ़ी मेहनत से बना है, काफ़ी प्यार से बना है, काफ़ी अमेजिंग एक्टर्स हैं. इट्स सच अ बिग शो इंटरनेशनली एंड इट्स द ऑफिशियल adaptation in India and I'm a part of it, so I'm so excited. Yeah.
Check. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the next screening, so please do proceed to the screening area.
हाँ जी,
Pressure?
क्योंकि फ्रेंचाइजी है ये और इंडिया में इसे
नहीं, प्रेशर आई थिंक अब जितना प्रेशर वाइल मेकिंग द शो था, क्योंकि वी कुडंट गो रॉन्ग विद इट. द स्क्रिप्ट इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक्टर्स को ऑफ कोर्स बहुत प्रेशर था कि वी हैव टू परफॉर्म रियली वेल टू मैच अप टू द स्क्रिप्ट, क्योंकि बहुत क्लेवरली अडेप्ट किया गया है इंडियन लैंग्वेज के लिए, इंडियन एनवायरनमेंट, ऑफिस एनवायरनमेंट के लिए. तो हम पर तो प्रेशर था ही. ऑफ कोर्स टेक्निकल प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था क्योंकि they wanted it a certain way, और जितना ऑथेंटिक शो है उससे आप दूर नहीं जा सकते थे. सो होपफुली हमारा प्रेशर का टाइम ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड अब प्रेशर है ऑडियंस में कि प्लीज़ इसे उतने ही प्यार से एक्सेप्ट करिए जितने की प्यार से हमने और मेहनत से इसे बनाया. एक्चुअली दी ऑफिस मेरा पहला वेब शो था जो मैंने साइन किया था. ऑफ कोर्स मेरा पहला कॉमेडी प्रोजेक्ट भी था. ऑफ कोर्स साइड हीरो इसके बाद मैंने शूट किया था क्योंकि रोहन सिप्पी सर से मैं इसी शो पे मिली थी. उन्होंने वो डायरेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं इस शो को, तो हालांकि वो पहले रिलीज़ हो गया, लेकिन आई एम एक्साइटेड कि दी ऑफिस के साथ मेरी इतनी अच्छी शुरुआत हुई ऑन द वेब विद ग्रेट क्वालिटी कंटेंट. एंड I've already done one more project with Applause, so keeping my fingers crossed for my career. जैसे मुझे बाकी सारे mediums में इतना अच्छे से accept किया गया है, hoping that with the office I get the same love even in the web. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
I have one question.
आप लेट आए, आप कुछ और कर रहे थे, आप ऑफिस टाइम पे नहीं आए, you're fired.
ओके मैम, बिग बॉस आने वाला है तो कितने
अरे सर मैं यहाँ ऑफिस के लिए आई हूँ, अभी ऑफिस का टाइम हो रहा है, ऑफिस का टाइम हो रहा है, Big Boss का नहीं.
Hello, what's up guys?
ऑफिस टाइम 5 घंटे रह गए
हाँ.
स्ट्रीमिंग होने में.
Yes.
तो बताइए कि ऑफिस जाने का कितना प्रेशर है आपको.
प्रेशर इज़ क्रेज़ी, प्रेशर बहुत है, नर्वस हूँ। मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग की राय क्या है, बिकॉज हम लोग ने खून पसीना एक करके मतलब ऐसे एक बड़ा सा शो बनाया है।
And I think it's important कि now it's going to be out, so we know about the concerns, we know about the questions that people have with regards to हमने अडेप्ट किया है, 2 अडेप्टेशन इसके बन चुके हैं, ये 10वां अडेप्टेशन है इंडिया जो कर रहा है, but I think it's important that people watch it with an open mind, and the idea is कि पहला एपिसोड देख लीजिए, hopefully a lot of questions and concerns will be answered.
क्रिटिसिज्म भी बहुत आएंगे भी, पर मैं ऑडियंस को यह कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमें अमेरिकन शो से कंपेयर ना करें, हम अडेप्टेशन है, कॉपी नहीं। तो ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि वी आर नॉट कॉपिंग माइकल स्कॉट और आई एम नॉट कॉपिंग केविन मलोन और एनीवन, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इंस्पिरेशन एंड वी आर बीइंग समबडी दैट वी कैन रिलेट टू यू गाइज।
एंड जब भी किसी हिट शो का एडाप्टेशन किया जाता है, हम लोग के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है कि लोगों ने उसे अप्रिशिएट किया था, बहुत हिट था।
I mean,
ये जिम्मेदारी आप लोगों के ऊपर है।
Alright, so I can speak for myself, and so it's a first for us. So it's my first show. So if I'm अगर मैं इस शो की तैयारी ये सोचते करूँ कि अरे इतना बड़ा शो है, इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर है, मैंने ऑफिस यूएस 7 बार देखा हुआ, तो मैं फ़ैन हूँ शो का। But at the same time, I think what stands true for an adaptation is that the idea of an adaptation is that you stay true to the core and the soul of the show, which I believe is what we've done. And then you play around within the political climate of our country. हम इंडिया हैं, हमने इंडियनाइज किया, वो यूएस थे, उन्होंने अमेरिकनाइज किया. It's very different cultures, it's different upbringing, it's different human beings. Habitually हम लोग बहुत अलग है. जिस तरह से आपने पानी की बोतल पकड़ी हुई और आप पानी पिएंगे वो अलग है. So ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, and I think the pressure was less, the excitement was more, क्योंकि अगर पहला प्रोजेक्ट है और ये प्रोजेक्ट करने को मिल रहा है, I think for any actor it's a blessing more than pressure.
और अगर आप किसी को भी कहें कि मैं ऑफिस से एसोसिएटेड हूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक बहुत बड़ा कल्ट फॉलोइंग की तरफ आपका मन चला जाता है. योर माइंड गोज टूवर्ड्स इट. सडनली माइकल स्कॉट, क्योंकि मेरे साथ यही हुआ था जब मुझे बुलाया गया था ऑडिशन के लिए. तो द ऑफिस ओह माय गॉड, क्या करना, किससे मिलना है. सडनली माइकल स्कॉट, आई हैव टू बी लाइक देम. सडनली इट वाज माय मिस्टेक वाज सेइंग आई हैव टू बी लाइक देम. No, like he said correctly, we have to be true to the soul and be who you are and connect with the audience here. हमें वहाँ के ऑडियंस से नहीं कनेक्ट करना है, हम सब लोगों से कनेक्ट करना है.
चलिए जाते जाते कुछ
Fans, the existing fans or everyone in general?
Everyone.
You go bro.
कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रह गए स्ट्रीमिंग में, इसलिए
हाँ, प्लीज़ देखिए शो. We worked very honestly on it. We've put a lot of love, a lot of heart into it. जो लोग हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं. अच्छे लोग जब मिलके काम करते हैं अच्छा काम होता है. तो I think just give it a chance and it's not going to be a waste of your time. You're going to have a happy binging experience. Don't worry.
I think you guys will love it. I know you guys will love it. It's the Office. That's Office India. It's us. It's over here. And I request all you guys, if you find any of your colleagues, office bosses in our show, please let us know and let us know how much you relate to those guys, because वो सुन के थोड़ा मन को मतलब सुकून मिलेगा.
हम सबको आप सबको नंबर देंगे, आप प्लीज देखकर हमें एक करके टेक्स्ट करना. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये सीन. हमको
watch the show, love the show, recommend the show and tell us how you love it, and hopefully with your love there will be more seasons to come. Thank you.
यहाँ पे नहीं ला सकते क्योंकि लोगों का ओके.
हाँ उधर से हाँ बीच में खड़े हो जाना.
चलो बाकी रह रहे हैं स्ट्रीमिंग होने में द ऑफिस जाने का कितना प्रेशर है अगर आप बता सकें?
प्रेशर तो है बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। यूएस का अडेप्टेशन है, लोग बहुत, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऑलरेडी शो देखा हुआ है, सो दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम अस। तो प्रेशर तो बहुत है, बट आई एम होपिंग दैट पीपल विल सी इट, विल लाइक इट एंड एन्जॉय इट।
यू नो यूएस का एडेप्टेशन
जी,
वहाँ पर ये बहुत ही
सुपर डुपर है।
इस तरह का कुछ प्रेशर फील करते हैं इंडिया में हम इसे ला रहे हैं?
प्रेशर बस इतना है कि हम जो ला रहे हैं वो एग्जैक्टली यूएस जैसा नहीं है, क्योंकि ये इंडियन अडेप्टेशन है। तो हमने बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश की है कि हमारे इंडियन जो लोग हैं, हमारी मेंटालिटी, हमारी सेंसिबिलिटी, हमारा कल्चर हम किस तरह से इसमें इन्वोक कर सके। तो हमने कोशिश की है इन्वोक करने की। सो आई थिंक पीपल कुड रिलेट टू इट एंड आई थिंक दे शुड एंड दे विल, बिकॉज
Okay, have you raised any important issue in this series, in web series? Important issue, what happened in the office?
आई थिंक द इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू इज़ दैट वी ऑल आर फॉर ईच अदर। लाइक मतलब कि अगर हम एक दूसरे के संग मस्ती भी करते हैं, कभी कभी बुली भी कर देते हैं, बट दैट इज़ ऑल मस्ती। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर स्टैंडिंग विद ईच अदर, यू नो। हर गिरने के बाद भी अपने दोस्त को उठा लेना और उसको अपने साथ रख के यू नो आगे बढ़ना इज़ द काइंड ऑफ मैसेज आई थिंक द ऑफिस विल गिव यू।
कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रहेंगे तो क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप लोगों को कि ये देखें? और
मैं लोगों को बस इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ ऑफिस ज़रूर देखें। इट्स अ वेरी लवली शो। हमने काफ़ी प्यार से बनाया है, काफ़ी हंसी से बनाया है, काफ़ी खुशी से बनाया है, आप लोगों के लिए ही बनाया है। प्लीज़ उसे ज़रूर देखें और उसे अप्रिशिएट करें, एंजॉय करें। और अगर आपका कोई भी फीडबैक है, प्लीज़ गिव इट टू अस, हमको लिखें, हमें बताएं। आई थिंक दैट्स इट। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
May I have attention please? We begin screening right away. तो request है कि आप सभी को screening area की तरफ आ जाएंगे. We begin screening right away. So requesting everyone out here to kindly move to the screening area.
थैंक यू जी।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Ask questions.
Did you like the second episode?
I loved both the episodes. I think it's a wonderful job done by the whole team of Applause and BBC. And this is, I still hate that I'm not there on the show. I really enjoyed it, and the jokes are really, if you get it, you get them. I got every joke, and it was really wonderful. And I laughed along with the actors, and laughed along with all the characters in this series. And I hope that it really does well. Very well performed by each and every actor in this show, and I feel. This is one of its kind, and thankfully we are not being apologetic about it. I just loved it.
Okay, and what do you think of the Office, the Indian version of the Office?
The Indian version only I'm saying is very well adapted, and I'm happy that this version has come in our language. It's in Hindi, and it's very politically incorrect, I must say. And I really enjoyed it. I'm just going home now and stream these episodes and watch it now. That's all. I don't have time to talk to you all anymore. I really loved it. Please keep your comments to yourself. Nobody's interested. Those who love it, they'll just watch it. I just loved it. That's all.
Yeah, Mahmood, considering there is a large amount of people who go to office regularly, do you want to tell them? Do you have any message for them
Yeah.
after watching the show?
Yes, thankfully I do run an office myself, and I've faced this situation where I try to be really funny half the time, then I realize it's not that funny sometimes. So anyone who faces this situation, I don't think in our office these mad things happen, but it does happen in my office. So if you all want to join my office, you are welcome to intern. Thanks.
Okay, one more thing. Firstly, I want to ask you, have you watched the US Office?
Yes, my friend. I watched the original, I watched the US Office, and Steve Carell has done a brilliant job. And I must say that Mukul is there. He's there. He's spot on, absolutely spot on. Whatever people may say, I thought he was simply spot on. I think every character from US Office that we adapted in the Indian Office, spot on. Brilliantly done. Thank you.
Where centers where? That's center, huh? That's it.
Should I ask you and then you ask me and then should we just play that way? Huh?
एक दूसरे को सवाल पूछ ले हम
पूछ रहे हैं, अरे
तो यार
Okay, so what do you feel of the 2 episodes that you watched?
You know, we had a lot of fun. Both of us are huge fans of The Office.
The Office. We've seen
yeah.
we've seen both the versions, and Mukul Chadha, who is playing Mr. Chadha.
प्रत्युष राज आपका वॉलेट यहाँ पे बार काउंटर के बाजू में है। मिस्टर प्रत्युष राज आपका वॉलेट बार काउंटर के बाजू में है।
Firstly, I would like to tell you that there are 13 adapts of The Office.
Correct.
The 13?
Yeah, you didn't know that.
I didn't know the 13. I thought there were 3. Okay, sorry.
Come, we'll do it again.
Come.
So, I think there are 13 adapts, and I'm guessing you watched at least one of the adapts
Yeah.
before the Indian one.
The British.
What do you think of that after you watched the US one or the UK one, watching the Indian adapt of The Office?
I think in terms of the way they've shot it and the way it's made, it's very similar, and they've kept that actually going, which is really cool because it's a very new format for us to see in India. और वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से किया है, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वे में किया है, और मुझे परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत अच्छी लगी, and I think the casting is very good. Mukul Chadha as Mr. Chadha was a riot.
Brilliant, man.
He's absolutely wonderful.
Mukul's so good. I think the beauty is they've kept the sanctity of the original alive in terms of the feel of it, and I think as Indian audiences, it'll probably take some time into it, but once you're in it, I think it was really funny.
And कितने सालों से हम सुन रहे हैं कि ऑफिस बन रहा है, फाइनली बन गया और आ गया, so I think it's going to be a very fun watch, and yeah, we're here.
So you all have watched 2 episodes. After the first episode, what was your feeling to watch the second episode?
You know, so I think we watched randomly. We watched the second episode and the 8th episode. So actually, we are even more excited to go back and see पहले में क्या होता है, because we have come into the story right in the middle.
Those stories are not linked,
but still,
it's just you want to see how it starts.
The characters are progressing through it. So we've seen characters at different places, and I now want to go back and watch how does it sort of add up and join together.
And the episodes were very fast. Yeah,
actually, it was pretty
They
fast.
flew through. It wasn't like you didn't feel alone.
वेब सीरीज को आप कैसे देखते हैं आपको कैसा लगता है वेब सीरीज सच अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म नाउडेज?
I think it's wonderful, यार. अभी इंडिया में suddenly last couple of years हर किस्म का कंटेंट बन रहा है. फिल्में और टेलीविजन तो बन ही रहा था, but I think with the web coming in, we have all these beautiful adaptations coming in, like The Office. It's a landmark show, and people across the world have enjoyed it. There has to be something great about the format and the writing which has worked. And I think it's wonderful that as Indian audiences, ये हम फिल्में नहीं देख सकते थे. टेलीविजन पे अगर ये आता तो उसमें बहुत सारा मिर्च मसाला, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक डालना पड़ता है. But I think we can still watch it now in its original version, in its sort of adapted version. So it's wonderful. I think all kinds of content we've been watching.
It's become.
In fact,
it's exploded.
This year, besides of course The Office is something I'm really looking forward to, but Criminal Justice, which came on Hotstar, is something again which we really enjoyed, both of us. Delhi Crime we really enjoyed. और ये अब film या TV दोनों पे I don't think we are ready to watch this yet. So it's wonderful that digital is really exploding.
It's a great time for actors also. Yeah, there are so many new actors coming in and so many new performances that you'll see and you'll get inspired by. So yeah, it's a great medium.
So also one more thing, do you think that people need to stop rallying about US episodes, and after watching this, what would you like to tell them?
Say that again.
Rallying?
People are being obsessed, or obsessing over the US episodes, and then when this Indian episode is out, what do you want to tell that set of audience?
I feel there's a huge untapped audience which hasn't seen The Office in India.
Yeah.
Also, I think the OTT Hotstar has such a huge base which watches a lot of sport and desi content which Star makes. I think unke liye, there's a very small percentile which has watched The Office in any other version. So, for the ones who watched, you will want to watch to see what have we done. And the ones who haven't watched, for them it's a fresh watch,
It's
right?
a brand
and as a fresh watch, I think it's absolutely...
it's been adapted really well also.
Yeah,
because it's set here and it's our characters, our language. So that completely works.
It's a brand new show for them, for people who haven't watched it. Which I think is very exciting.
वो comparison तो होता ही रहेगा, हमेशा करते रहेंगे किसी ना किसी चीज़ से. So this works.
Okay, also
so are you planning to go in Big Boss house?
Yes, what's been
What are these things that are coming that during Big Boss?
ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है मेरा.
But do you like Big Boss show?
एक्चुअली मैं टेलीविजन बहुत कम देखता हूँ, बनाता ज़्यादा हूँ, और जो लोग बनाते हैं उन्हें देखने का वक्त नहीं मिलता, और जब वक्त मिलता है तो आप you want to watch interesting things which are happening in the digital world now. So नहीं, मैं इतना actually I'm not such a big consumer of Big Boss. Yeah.
तो हाल ही में आपने फिल्म भी देखी होगी कबीर सिंह, तो कैसी लगी?
मुझे शाहिद बहुत अच्छा लगा फिल्म में. आई थिंक ही वाज टेरिफिक इन इट. एंड मैं जानता हूँ आपका अगला सवाल क्या होगा, बट अभी ऑफिस की बात करते हैं ना.
But sir, lots of people आपको ट्विटर पर
जी.
ट्रोल किया गया, पर आपको
मुझे ट्रोल किया गया. किसने किया?
बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
जी.
जो शाहिद का किरदार है, दैट इज अ वेरी, आप कह रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन कई
मैंने किरदार अच्छा नहीं कहा, मैंने कहा उनका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है. देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्ट एंड एन आर्टिस्ट.
बट कई लोग कह रहे हैं कि जो किरदार है बहुत ही बेकार किरदार है. लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट क्रिटिक्स से कि जिस तरह से वो
जी जी.
उसको लेके आप क्या कहते हैं?
आई थिंक आर्ट इज सब्जेक्ट टू सबके अपने परसेप्शंस होंगे. ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक there's a lot of relevant conversation going on कि maybe commercial cinema should also be slightly more should take a stand, and I feel it's a great conversation to have. मुझे in fact मैंने जो tweet किया था उसमें लिखा था there are lots of problems I had personally with it. What I really enjoyed was Shahid did it, right? So of course the timing of the film with what's happening in the country now may not be appropriate, and maybe hero worshipping that character may not be perfect. But I think instead of saying कि हमें मत दिखाओ, we should educate people around us and all of us to be able to view that. And but of course people have a problem because most people in India get influenced that I want to grow up to be like that character. That is problematic, but does that mean do I stop making films which have characters which are problematic? I don't know. I don't know. It's a valid debate we are having. Having said that, I think what Shai did was fabulous.
As actors, you actually
Yeah, we really enjoyed.
you see this and you're like, that's a great performance.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Yeah.
So I mean, it could be a
Yes. Today.
today 3 years back, yeah, the first episode.
बहुत ज़्यादा. तो आज इश्बाज के 3 साल being on air, when it first went on air, it's completed today, and it feels extremely nostalgic. इतना खूबसूरत सफ़र रहा है. अभी भी मैं whenever I'm traveling, meeting people can't stop talking about the show and how people have been influenced by the show. It feels wonderful, I think, to have that in your filmography, if you can say, of work.
Yeah.
And I feel very proud, and when I look back, I think all of us who have worked on the show will feel proud of the time we spent, the content we created on Indian TV. I think we really did well in the last 3 years, yeah, so it feels good.
सर, आपने कोई स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है फिल्म को लेके या वेब सीरीज को लेके जो आपको कोई स्क्रिप्ट आजकल आप पढ़ रहे हैं?
यार मैं अभी जाकर ना द ऑफिस के हमने 2 एपिसोड देखे एंड द प्लान इज टू गो बिंज वॉच द रेस्ट ऑफ इट. मैंने सुना है सीजन 2 भी तैयार हो गया है. So my real hope is that they bring it out soon and we can watch it. And I think the entire ensemble was, I don't know all of them, but they were very good, yeah.
Fresh faces also you got to see.
It was so
There's a lot
nice
of
to
fresh
not
faces
see
there.
regular
Yeah,
actors
yeah.
you're used to watching. And I think just Mukul came and
Mukul was
just
just too good.
holds
man.
the show and
Mukul Chadda,
really
man.
nails it. Yeah.
Phenomenal.
So it was wonderful to see. Thank you.
Alright, cool.
Visuals they were a fan. And talk to each other and take shots of all. कहाँ पर? आगे आ जाए. Good.
कुछ ही घंटे बाकी हैं द ऑफिस. हालांकि रात हो गई लेकिन ऑफिस जाने का टाइम आ चुका है. प्रेशर है, एक्साइटमेंट है, नर्वसनेस है, कॉन्फिडेंस है. बस आप लोग देखिए और मज़ा आएगा. आई होप. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं, काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने मेहनत की है, इंक्लूडिंग राइटर्स, एक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स. सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है जो लोग देख रहे हैं. ऑफिशियल एडेप्टेशन है तो प्लीज़ देखिए ऑफिस. यही आपसे लोगों से गुजारिश है. Thank you. Please watch Office. Thank you.
ओके सो ऑफिस जाने का टाइम कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रह गए, तो आप बताइए कि कितनी पंचुअल है ऑफिस की, क्या करना चाहिए, कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है?
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है और लिटरली बहुत कम घंटे बचे हुए हैं, तो मैंने बाकी कुछ देखा नहीं है. आई हैव जस्ट सीन दीज 2 एपिसोड्स एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी द होल सीजन कमिंग. सो बहुत ही कमाल के एक्टर्स हैं सब और बहुत ही अच्छा किया है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड.
फिर मैं ये स्टार्ट तो आप बताइए कितना प्रेशर होता है इंडिया में इसे हम ला रहे हैं, कितना प्रेशर होता है?
ऑफ कोर्स प्रेशर तो होता ही है क्योंकि जिन्होंने ऑफिस ओरिजिनल देखा है तो शायद उन लोगों के लिए ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस होगा, पर डिफरेंट है लेकिन इट विल ग्रो ऑन यू फॉर श्योर. सो यू विल हैव टू सी ऑल दी एपिसोड्स एंड आई थिंक धीरे धीरे ये आप पे इसका असर और नशा दोनों चढ़ता जाएगा. थैंक यू.
Can you keep it to like 2 to 3 questions? Yeah.
Okay, so what was your experience after watching the 2 episodes that you did?
I really liked it. I'm a huge fan of the original, the American version of The Office. And my best friend from college plays Pammi in this one, so I'm her +1 today. I really enjoyed the 2 episodes. I can't wait to watch the rest of it also.
Also, after watching one episode, what was your enthusiasm to watch the next episode?
I was really intrigued by the first episode. I wanted to see more. I wanted to see more about their stories, what their characters are, how different is it going to be from the American version, because right now that's the standard, and inevitably you try to like match the two and be like compare the two, but I feel like the Indian version is just as good as it is, and it's a whole league of its own.
There's a lot of, I would say, backlash, but a lot of like negative when it comes to creating The Office. Is there anything you want to tell that set of audience of how this Office is, the Indian version of this Office?
I mean, for anyone who hates on anything without watching it or knowing anything about it, that's just unfair. And to all the people who have hated on it at all on social media, I would say that I'm also a huge fan of the show. But like, I would still give it a chance. I would give it a shot. I would watch it and then make my opinion on it. So yeah, just watch it and then decide for yourself.
Absolutely. So after also watching The Office now, there are a lot of office goers that audience who go to office every day probably face these kind of instances.
Yeah.
What would you like in a fun, like a fun take to tell them, that set of audience? Say if they also have a boss like Mukul Chadda.
I would say form a secret WhatsApp group without Mukul Chadda on it or whoever his name is Jagdeep Chadda, sorry. So yeah, just make a secret WhatsApp group to bitch about the boss and never let the boss find out. And if the boss finds out, make another group. And yeah, just keep making many groups. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's firstly it's great having you come over here. It's great having you over here at this meeting. So what was your experience on watching the Indian Office?
Very good. I mean, very funny. Great characters. You know, I mean, they've taken a lot of chances and pretty whacked out. Yeah, it's damn good. I mean, I really enjoyed it. Wonderful performances, and comedy works because of characters, performances, great timing, wonderful, very well written. It's all good. All the best.
Who was your favorite character in this the Indian Office? Your favorite character?
Well, the main character is very good. I mean, all of them, you know, even the Mishra character, sorry, who is this Bhakt, is a pretty bold, you know, interesting stretch, and all of them, you know, when Apna Shori came in,
his timing is amazing, and this totally politically incorrect. Absolute. I mean, the kind of guy, if you've been in Delhi, the kind of guy you know quite well. I mean, this absolute bore who just doesn't know what to say, thinks he's very funny, and it's difficult to do, and it's a great character.
Also, have you watched any of the other adapts of The Office?
I have to watch the British version.
Okay, and after watching the British version, what do you feel of the Indian version?
Very good, very well adapted. The kind of office they've adapted it to, it's very Delhi, and they have, the ambience is very good, all the characters are very good. It's very rooted, they're very recognizable. It's very well, adapted to the Indian situation.
Also, considering you watched the other office, was there any baggage that you were carrying?
No, I try and forget. I mean, it didn't remind me. I mean, I saw it for itself. And you can't, the jokes are different, the humor is different, people are different. So I mean, no, I didn't think of it. I mean, that's brilliant also. That's very good. And this works on its own stage. Very good.
So, is there any message you want to give the audience who are expecting to watch The Office, the Indian version of The Office?
Watch it, you'll have a lot of fun. I mean, it's very funny. Can be watched together, can be watched you can watch two, and then come back to it. You can watch it anyway, you can repeat. I mean, you can come back to an episode. That's the great thing about comedies, they are always rewatchable. You can watch it again and again.
Would you be interested to adapt any kind of show for yourself?
I don't know about that, I've just done Hospitals for Hotstar, and when somebody.
I think is it going to work for the Indian audiences?
I think so, because it's very well put together for the Indian audience. It's basically it works. A comedy, it works. I mean, you put various kinds of people, recognizable, whom you identify with. You know those people, and anybody who's been to a small office like this will know these people. And you recognize them from your life. And, it works very well.
Also, having watched 2 episodes, that's the second and the 8th episode, how do you think the other episodes are going to turn out to be?
Well, if these two are anything to go by, then they'll turn out very well. I think so. I mean, because the second and the 8th doesn't lose any steam. So, it will work. I think so.
Thank you so much. Okay, so watched 2 episodes, what do you think about it?
So I found them quite funny, nice and crisp and short and funny. So I think anybody can just take out probably 20-25 minutes of their time per day, maybe how much ever more if they want to, and have fun with the episodes. Yeah, it's good fun.
Anything on the plot and the actors, the characters and the plot?
Yes.
How
So
to find the plot and the characters?
yeah. So even though I saw just 2 episodes, I found the characters quite sketched out quite well. So I could relate to, I could figure out what each character is going to do or what are their own characteristics. And I think each of them did a very good job. Every actor has done a superb job, and I think it's quite good. Yeah.
So have you watched any of the other adaptations?
No, for me it is fresh because I haven't seen both the earlier versions of Office. So for me it was completely fresh, and I think I must be one of the rare ones who has not watched the earlier adaptations. So for me it was quite fresh, and I'm quite going to go home today and watch it.
So having watched having watched 2 episodes and basically you loved it, not having watched the US episodes or the UK adaptations, what do you want to tell the audience?
So I want to tell the audience that in these times when we are so rigid about humor and we want to, we are also so stuck on trolling all the time, I think you should just go in with an open mind and watch the show, keep an open mind, stop trolling, just enjoy, have fun, and just watch the episodes. Yeah.
Such an adaptation would work on Indian audiences?
It is an experiment for our audience, but I guess in these times, the audiences are open to a lot of experimentation. So I think it will be well received. it will take some time to maybe catch on. Maybe 2-3 episodes people will take to get used to the format, the style of shooting, the characters, the humor. But again, once they get onto it, they should be okay with it. I feel so.
And now you've watched the second episode. What do you want? What do you expect? Or how do you feel of watching the next episode?
I want to watch from the first episode onwards, and I think I will probably watch with people who I know, who I love to be close with, and have spent a nice evening with, maybe my friends. Maybe if I go for an outing, I'll probably just do a screening of maybe 5, 6, 7 episodes, in a party and stuff like that. So I think it's quite a good content for the urban young audience, the audience which is on social media, the age group which is, I guess, anywhere around 20 to whatever 45. I guess we all can watch the show and have a good time.
Also, any message to the audience to watch the show, or why should they watch The Office, the Indian version of The Office?
I think just watch it, yeah. It's nice, good, fun show, yeah. What's the message? Yeah? Just go watch it, have a good time. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Very excited. कल release होगा. I mean, it's a very big show. Very excited to play the HR officer. बाकी मेरे characters कैसे उसमें develop होते हैं. You have to watch it tomorrow.
Also, ma'am, is this the first time you're watching the episode?
Yeah, for the first time I watched just one web series earlier. So this is the second web series which I watched. And of course my husband is there in it. So it was really fun and it was really good. Actually it was humorous. And his character was also very good. And I loved it.
Also, have you also watched the previous episodes of The Office? Any adaptation of the previous episodes?
Frankly speaking, मैंने audition के time सिर्फ दो episodes देखे थे. And in that episode, जो actual में the person who has played my character in the US, उनमें से वो दोनों में ही नहीं थे. तो I had watched just 2 episodes for the audition. But now I will watch, after watching the Indian version, then I'll watch the US version.
Also, what was the direction given to you when you are playing the Indian version of a US adapt or a UK adapt? What was the direction given to you to play your role, or to play your character?
See, there was no comparison of my character with the US or the UK versions. I was just told to play myself as an HR officer, that the reason why you have joined the Faridabad office, you have come from Delhi, आपने Faridabad office में क्यों join किया? For the reason that there is one person, जगदीप चड्डा, उसके कारण यहाँ पर आया हूँ मैं, and उनके कारण ही मेरा यहाँ पर फरीदाबाद में ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था. तो I have to play as an HR, normal HR.
Also, मैम, आपको कुछ आपके HR head उसके रोल के बारे में आपको कुछ कहना है? How did you like his role in the series?
Of course, actually he was a software engineer for 15 years in reality, and he has changed his profession to acting. So basically, I could relate to it, कि शायद वो ऑफिस में ऐसे ही करते रहे होंगे, ऐसा कुछ मुझे लगा. And I loved it. Of course, all the characters were very, fit to the characters. जो ऐसा लगा, ऐसे सच में लगा कि ऑफिस में शायद ऐसे ही माहौल होता होगा. अभी हम तो शुरू से ही एक्टर है, तो I don't know क्या ऑफिस में होता होगा. बट वो देख के लगा, हाँ ओके, जगदीप ऐसे होता होगा, ये टीवी ऐसे होगा, सब ऐसे ही होते होंगे. सब पूरे जितने हैं मम्मी, सब कैरेक्टर्स मुझे बहुत फिट लगे. सो वेरी रियल कैरेक्टर्स. लव्ड इट.
Also, people who have watched the US adapt or the UK adapt, people have watched the US adapt or the UK adapt, any message you would like to give them to watch the Indian adapt of The Office?
It's just a first day tomorrow, so I really don't know what message I should be giving to them. But उसमें subtitles, if there would be some subtitles, please watch it. The stories would be somewhat related, but there's an Indian adaptation to the US version, so I would request you to please watch it, and I hope you find that funny.
Thank you.